When the raindrops fall, roll down my window pane, reminds me of the tears I cried time and time again. When you walked out the door for somebody new, took my world away, broke my heart in two. I look back at the memories that I used to know, your warm and loving way that gave my heart a glow. Now all I have are shadows of love that used to be. When the rain begins to fall, brings a tear to me. Miss you so much each and every day. Love I used to know now so far away. I lay awake each night with a memory, wishing you were there, lying next to me. When the raindrops fall